Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, October 7th, 2010. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 16 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, this morning we had a news announcement that came out, and they came down and made a nice run up off that news announcement, put in the high actually at 1163.75, and then the market started trading off into the open. We opened and basically set up a signal to get short off of this fast move to the downside. We did have an opportunity to get short that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks off that extension. Went down, filled our half gap, filled both of our 4:15 and 4 o'clock gap, finally started slowing down once we passed the pivot and came in the vicinity of this Globex session low down at 1152.50. Found support at that Globex low, bounced up to our moving average, and then just kind of started moving a little sideways. Actually retested the low, broke it by a couple of ticks, and then came through our moving average for an opportunity to get long. Again, another fast move to the upside there. That particular move did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks, and then this market actually got into what was a longer term bear flag pattern. If you would have looked on your 5-minute chart, you will see that there was a bear flag pattern. We were actually watching that pattern in the room, and the market came down, gave us a signal long by all the rules of our trading plan. There is a signal to get long, and unfortunately for that was a T0 minus 14. But in our room we were looking actually off of a longer term resistance area as it came off of this area, and there was actually some folks that got in this trade up around the half gap there, but the real trading plan entry didn't happen until after 10:45 when we pulled back to this moving average. We got our signal entry, and then that one did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks as the market went down again towards that Globex area and found a little support before bouncing higher. We went into our lunchtime dead zone. That's the area between 11:30 and 1:15. On this chart, it's the red highlighted area. Basically what that means is we do not trade. We kind of sit on our hands, wait for lunch to come and go, and then we start looking for opportunities. And sure enough, right outside of lunch, right after the 1:30 time frame, we had a signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks. And then that was our last trade of the day, because again we stopped trading at 3 p.m. and don't get caught up in that last hour's mayhem that goes on there. So all in all, it was a great day for us. As far as the signal system goes, we had 5 trades for 16 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of this screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.